What are the best affiliate programs for beginner in 2022, guys? So guys, here I'm gonna give the answer to this question. If you are looking for what are the best affiliate programs for beginners, then this video is for you guys, right? So okay, now here without any delay, let me tell you what are the best affiliate programs, guys. My number one recommendation is Clickfunnels, because I'm using it personally, I'm promoting it personally, guys, right? So yes, you can go with Clickfunnels affiliate program, guys, number one. Number two, you can go with JVZoo, guys, right? Don't worry, I will put the link down below so that you can go and check out, guys, right? JVZoo, number two. Number three, you can go with Warrior Plus, right? And number four, you can go with Legendary Marketer. Very frankly, guys, Legendary Marketer is not available in tier 3 countries, right? And in that, India also comes, guys, right? India is a tier 3 country, so you will not be, if you are from India, you will not be able to join Legendary Marketer affiliate program, right? But yes, if you are living in you can say tier 1 or tier 2 country, then yes, you will be able to join this program, guys, and you will be able to promote Legendary Marketer products as an affiliate, guys, right? So yes, these are the 4 programs, guys, that I see that will be good for beginners, guys, right? And yeah, if you want to learn how to start your online business step by step, then yes, you can go and check out One Funnel Away Challenge training. Link you will find in my bio or in my description section, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.